All right, so I'm going to teach you how to make your own transfer on screen printing mesh. So this is the mesh, and this is a little bit different than the one that I've purchased before, but it still works great. So when you're cutting out the vinyl, you want to mirror it. So it's going to be backwards. It's going to read differently, obviously. So you need to, I can't stress it enough, you need to mirror it. So the vinyl is going to be on the bottom, and then the screen, and then the mesh. So now I'm just going to weed out the word, and you're weeding out the part that you want the chalk to show through, to transfer. So again, I can't stress enough, you need to mirror it. And the reason is you want that vinyl to touch the board, the chalkboard, or whatever surface you're doing. So obviously I'm doing a Harry Potter board, but so you're just going to weed it out, and there you go. Okay, so once it's been weeded, then you're going to get your transfer tape and put it down, and then put it down on the screen printing mesh. And when you're peeling it off, you just kind of want to be careful. Sometimes you can tear the vinyl if you go too fast, and I've done it numerous times, but sometimes the chalk paste will go through those little tears. So, but again, you guys, this is chalk. This isn't perfect. So, okay, so now we put that on the transfer tape. We're going to put the mesh down and put the vinyl on top of the mesh. I'm just going to get it close to the edge and squeegee it down. And then peel it off. And when you're peeling off the transfer tape, you kind of need to be careful again, because sometimes that first little part doesn't want to stick to the mesh. Okay, so now I've done that one. Now we're going to do the other one. I swear, whenever I'm doing videos, something always happens. But that's how life is, right? Okay, so we're just taking vinyl off. And again, you want to make sure those little pieces inside are there. And that's what the awesome thing is about putting it on this mesh is it's just like the transfers that we have. You don't have to sit there and weed out those little teeny pieces of like the E or the O. All right, so now we put it on the mesh. Taking off the transfer tape. Okay, and now we're going to cut it down to size. And I like to have just a teeny bit of the mesh on each side. Little bit. You can even just cut into the vinyl. That'll work too. Okay, so we've got those cut. And I like to save some of these bigger pieces because you never know. You could use them. So now you can see the vinyl side you're putting against the chalkboard or whatever surface, and that is to help from bleeding. I've done it the other way where the vinyl is on top, and it's kind of hard. So, so you're just going to tape down the sides with the painter's tape. Blue painter's tape I've kind of found works the best. Doesn't leave any residue behind. Okay, so you just want to make sure that it is as flat as possible when you are laying it down before you put the chalk paste on. Sorry, I had to turn off my fan. Okay, so now we're just applying the paste, and yeah, just like a normal transfer. So we all know how to do that. Apply the paste. Okay, so there you go. And then because you've put it on the mesh, you can wash it and reuse it. So I have a couple wedding ones that I've reused a couple times. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, just let me know. Again, please, please keep this in the group. Before we launched, we were told by corporate they didn't want us showing how to do this. They kind of just wanted people to learn on their own type of thing. So, but because you guys are all amazing, I'm showing you. But again, please keep in the group. So yeah. Okay, well, there you go. That is it. So again, if you have any questions, let me know. Okay. I will chat with you later, guys.